In this video, I will show you how to install Shazam app on your Android TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. So if you have an Android TV like mine and you want to install the Shazam application to it, here's what you do, especially if you don't have Google Play Store or App Store installed on that Android TV. So in that case, what you do is come to this application called Downloader. Now, Downloader is an intermediate application that helps you to search apps, APKs, media from across the internet and you can now install them to your Android TV. So you don't have download on your Android TV. Check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you to get downloader on your Android TV. Once you go to it, come out to a search box, and this is how the interface look like. All you have to do here is to type the right keyword in this box, and this is an example of the keyword I've typed: install Shazam app TV. Alright, so I'm using TV there to tell download that I'm looking for the TV version. So once you type in that, you're just going to come over here and click on go and see the options that downloader is going to show us. Obviously, there are going to be many options. You just have to scroll through them and try them to see which one works. Like for instance, here's one. Here's one option. Here's another option. And if you scroll down a little bit, there are many other options that you can try. Alright, so you can also click on next for more options. So we're just going to try one of them, which is the first option, and see if it's going to give us the application. If it doesn't work, you can go ahead and try other options. But let's just go ahead with this. Once you go over this, it's going to bring you here, and you can see here's the install button, which you can click and install the application to your Android TV. And if this option doesn't work, you can go ahead for more other options to try and install the application to your Android TV. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful.